A famous composer once said, "The toughest thing about success is that you've got to keep on being successful." In other words, success that cannot be repeated is simply a coincidence. So when a globally successful company like China Steel Corporation needed to retrofit outdated equipment on recoil line number 116, they couldn't leave anything to chance. They needed reliability, a customer-focused mentality, and industry-driven designs backed by world-class products and services. So it's no coincidence that they chose Rockwell Automation.
So the challenge we receive from the customer is we need to save some of the existing equipment and then put in the new one, integrate the old and the new together, and then in a very short time frame.
When we produce steel product, we should make sure the equipment is steady enough. And then the incoming material should be good enough. Otherwise, maybe garbage in, garbage out. Or even worse, because more process cause some defects all the time. So we have to maintain the facility more stable. So that's the reason why we revamp a lot of all the machinery and the control system to the more modern one.
Backward compatibility, forward migration. That was the real challenge for China Steel. Modernizing 18-year-old equipment without compromising their established reputation for repeatable success and quality.
We are so proud of, in China Steel, in most of production units, we can utilize sometimes over even 100% of design capacity, which means we control so-called unexpected shutdown in a quite low level. So we are able to produce more steel tonnage, which can earn more money.
But if you look at the solution and then the quality of the work, Rockwell can always make a better choice for the customer, because in such kind of revamping projects, better say the cost of the downtime and any delay is much more than the project cost itself.
The number 116 line was upgraded with the Reliance Automax distributed power system, Reliance and Allen Bradley drives, push buttons and I/O, monitored by panel view and Sigma interfaces. And not only did Rockwell products rise to the challenge, but the service behind them kept them online, finished ahead of schedule, and exceeded expectations.
Our record, it was average per month around 3 hours downtime. And after use the Rockwell, now maybe 1 to 1.5 hours per month.
But now, using the new MMI system, a lot of information is dynamically show up to the operator. So it can easily understand what's going on, whole line. So once anything happens or some difficult material should be produced, it's more easy to prevent any interruption or some difficulties.
When they have the problem, we can be on the site within an hour. Besides the immediate service, we also have the professional team in Kaohsiung. We can do the engineering, the design, and then the start work all by our own. And then for the other suppliers, they always need to bring engineers or people from abroad.
Consistent reliability, breadth of technology, the flexibility to integrate with existing systems.
For this project, we think it's very successful because it shorten the construction period. And during the commissioning, can back to the normal operation capacity even higher in a very short time. So we appreciate about the equipment quality. Also, most of all, the people who working here, they did their best effort.
It's the kind of repeatable success that opens doors to future business.
Just 30 minutes ago in my boss's office, and we are talking about maybe in my area, the timber mill also are about 18 years old. But now it's about the time to revamp. Seems we also learned that the Rockwell automation also have a lot of record for such kind of equipment control. So due to these two lines, references, we are so delighted to have Rockwell as a qualified bidder.
Which means the same world-class products and services that kept China Steel successful in Taiwan will ensure Rockwell Automation's repeatable success in Asia and all over the world. And that's no coincidence either.